Now it show. Okay, now I open my input. That's STL file. Actually, I got from Fiverr client this. Now I show just input only. Okay, you can see there is a STL file. If you want to convert this STL file as a STL file, you have to create the surface, then you can transfer on the following software: Solidworks, Creo, Inventor, and X, AutoCAD, Solid Edge. You can convert as a live transfer to this software. After that, before I have to create this as a surface or any solid. So sorry, actually there solid file is not possible in this. So just I will show something on here. There are many options to convert as a surface body. If you want to create all the surface, you can use auto surface. Sometimes auto surface will not work properly because there has many critical points or many unexpected point that is not possible to convert as auto surface. So you have to create surface. Now I want to show how to create a surface by manual. So just choose this 3D sketch, go to 3D mesh sketch and choose this 3D mesh sketch. And I choose this as spline and a sketch on this mesh. So I click this and a sketch. Okay, just this, and this. Right click. Just I am showing for to understand. Again sketch from this point to this and right click. Again sketch. And right click. Okay. Again a sketch from this point to this and right click. Okay. I sketch this on the mesh body. Now you can see. Now I will create as a surface. Just exit it and go to this model and choose this fill surface and choose fill surface. Select this sketch, all the sketch, select, then you will get automatically as a surface. Okay. You can hide your this mesh body and you can see that is created as a surface. If you want to convert it, this surface, you have to go this form and you can transfer as a surface body to any listed software. Okay, now I just show you how to convert it. I don't want to convert it. I actually done all the surface, then I convert it. So just I will show you. I already converted in the Solidworks. Now see, it is converted as a solid body in the Solidworks. You can see is it solid or not, just I have to show. Now you see that is the solid body. See? Okay, if anyone to know, if anyone do you need any kind of like this service, if anyone to know like this service, you can contact with me by my Gmail or by my following the Upwork or Fiverr. I always provide like this service, that's STL file to STL file to STL file. If anyone need any kinds of service, you can contact. Thank you for watching.